Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete items from cart on Walmart app or Walmart website here. It's really easy. So as you can see here, I'm into the Walmart and here let's say that I have selected one of the product. Let's say this is a $12, $13 in actually. I will just go and open up this product here and I will add this to my cart. Right, and I will add my another cart. Let me just decline this protection. Let me just go and add another cart. So I've added here two products. As you can see here on the top right, I'll just go and click on my cart option in the phone. You will always see in the bottom right side, and here as you can see here there are two products. So how we can just remove it? To remove it, it's very easily. To delete it, it's really easy. As you can see here, there's an option to remove as well as here. So you have to just go and click on remove, right? And for example, as you can see here, removed, and it just got the one product got removed. But if you want to remove all the product, it's really easy. Just go and click on remove. Now it's easy. So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.